Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the first thing I'm gonna use is this Forever 52 foundation. Take one pump and this foundation all over my face. Now I'm gonna use this Myyglam Pose HD Banana Powder. So let's talk about the product, and this is so good. Now I'm gonna use this 12 eyeshadow kit Pose. Now I'm using this darker shade my eyes. Pigmentation is so good. The swatches I have done, this is so good. This blue shade for my eyelids. My flat brush, and I will use this brown shade for my lower lash lines. Now I will use this Manish Malhotra glitter eyeliner as a liner or kajal. So good. I'm in love with this already. I'm using Myyglam mascara. Myyglam के जितने भी products हैं ना मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. Now I will use this my Noods palette. This palette for blushing. I'm taking this shade and I will just smile and apply blush. Now I'm gonna use this Myglam's mini lipstick kit. This is no drama, and I am using shade Comfort Zone from this. So this is the final look, you guys. If you like the video, stay connected with my channel. Guys, thank you for watching.